mag-fishing kami. Pupunta kami ngayon. So, ang oras na ay 8:45 PM. So, overnight kami doon sa fishingan. Mga ilang oras ang drive? 45 minutes, ganyan. O 1.5 pala.
120.
So, ayun. Dalawa. Are you ready, Nene?
Yeah, and then I got my slide. And then when I'm there, I'm gonna go swim because I learned my swimming license. And then I'm gonna go get Papa and gobble it up. And then I'm gonna catch a shark and then go.
Hindi mo to
Go
kailangan,
eat
di
it
ba?
for breakfast.
Pang-iPad to eh.
So, yun lang guys. Magkita tayo mamaya. So, galing kami dito sa Circle K dahil bumili kami ng tubig. At saka bumili din kami ng mga fruit. Ayan.
I got bomb. I got a grenade.
Pero po, Nene.
I didn't open it.
What you got?
A grenade.
30. Put your seatbelt properly, okay?
Okay.
So, tapos na kaming magpagas. Ngayon naman, on the way na kami. Ito, talagang on the way na kami, guys. So, yan. Diyan kami nagpagas sa Co-op. Hi, guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa camping site. Ayan ang tubig. Nandoon. Yan. Tapos, ito yung aming tent. Napakalaki niya. So,
I-side kaya
may
natin
mga
dito
kasama rin kami dito.
Ipa-side kaya.
Sige.
Kasi yung hangin eh.
Oo. May mga kasama naman kami doon. Yung nakikita yung ilaw na yun, mga nagka-camping din. Actually, nagpi-fishing sila. There. So, eto, nagsiset up na kami ng aming ano. Okay, ito. Ito yung aming gamit na pang-fishing. Ito ang aming pain. Ang aming ano, tent. There. Nene girls there. And Papa's still over there getting all our stuff to unload. And this is my chair. I need to remove. Look at this, guys.
I want my pet. I want my pet.
You're what?
Can I move my slippers?
Yeah, go. Go ahead.
Can I see a light, Mama?
Yeah, they're also catching a fish, Nene.
Papa! 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 Papa!
Nene, you don't want to put your slime on the sand.
Toy! My toy, Pepper. Sailor.
No, it's okay. It's not ano. Positive.
Napakaraming lamok, Noy.
Pumasok na kayo dito.
Kaya nagsiset up na si Tors. Kaya pulang ilaw ang gamit namin kasi guys, sobrang daming lamok. So pula, at least hindi sila masyadong malapit sa pulang ilaw. Pero pag white, Diyos ko po, para kami pinuputakte. So good morning guys. Ito ang aming tulugan. Si Nene girl. Sleeping baby. Ako'y pumasok sa loob kasi ang lamig. Grabe. Pakikita ko sa inyo. Sinisipon ako. So guys, umaga na. Wala pa ring huli. Ang si Teddy there. Oh, Teddy, there's a rainbow. Over there. It's like a double rainbow. ito yung tent namin. Here, may rainbow doon. So, do you feel cold? No?
Mama, look, there's a bird over there.
Bird, don't touch it.
Why?
Guys, it's raining.
Yeah.
Look at the sun over there. Wala na, nag-hide na. Ayan. Maalon din. And we're having a good time here.
Fishies.
Ayan, inabot na kami ng alas 8 na ba ng umaga? 8:30 na ng umaga. Ayan. So, ito yung aming tent. So,
We're going home because there's no fish here. And we're going. Bye, guys.
and it's Tristan's birthday today and we need to go there. Nene, are you happy?
Yeah.
We're going home.
Mama, is it August? Yeah, and then we're on the beach. August.
This is a lake, Nene.
Lake. And finally, now we're going home and ready to play my slime in the house. And I like smelling them because it smells good.